Get along, little doggies, get along. 2, 3 cows in our garden. Making off on down to the next piece of goodness in somebody else's yard. Oh, this is frustrating. So, it's 6 in the morning. They made it through our garden. They're going through the yard, Rob.
They're out of the yard.
Yeah, they just went out. Different ones? They weren't the same ones we usually get, huh? I hope they didn't eat all the fruit and all the stuff.
They did black hay on now.
I pigged out on hay, huh?
Yep.
Great. That was the stuff that we covered, that one video I did. We had covered it up. I wonder how they got in, if they jumped, broke some of the fence. What?
The baby jumped it before. That's the baby you chased, and the baby and the mother went over and over. Those are that one.
Oh, from way back when. Huh. Broke the fence.
See, they didn't.
Cow patty.
Yeah, but they didn't. See, she bent that post,
Yep.
hitting it. Knocked that out of the ground.
Yeah.
But you know, they didn't touch the trees.
Thank goodness.
Well, maybe that one a little.
So, anyway, our fence is all stretched out. God, I can't believe the cows got inside. Well, maybe it'll make for a bushier tree.
Oh, they did eat the green off this, these two and the fruit.
Well, they broke leaves and branches over here. That's our almond.
They ate the
Oh, so we're not going to get any almonds now this
peaches are
year.
gone.
Look at no almonds for this year.
Peaches are gone.
They ate all the peaches.
And the leaves off the tree.
Man, they about wiped it out, guys.
All this they ate.
Oh, great. My garden.
They ate a lot of the apple leaves and branches.
No, they left a little bit of figs.
They left all these. This grape's all gone.
Oh, they ate the grapes. Cows. They're not even our cows. Look what they did. Right there. Ate the tree down even. Ate the leaves that were coming out. Oh, they had a great time with the big tree here.
Oh, that too. That thing was full.
Yeah. Oh, my
So was that
horseradish
one.
plant is gone. They ate all of that.
They ate all this one too. Down to the nub.
Yep. See evidence of cow poo right there. That's where it was. They ate it. It ruined the garden here. We're real close to it. We had beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous peaches growing. They're gone. They ate them. We definitely know that we need to get good fencing up. The artichoke plant is still there. We picked an artichoke last night. Oh man, I can't believe this. I guess we could follow the cow patties and see where they were. Good manure, at least they left a present. After eating all of my peaches and my almonds and my grape plant, my fig tree, nibbled it all down. I guess that's pruned for next year. They ate it. They ate it. Didn't do too bad on my apple tree, but they did shake it around pretty good. Lots of apple tree leaves on the ground. Ah, hell's bells. This is frustrating. I work so darn hard to get everything planted in the ground. all that money spent, and the cows demolished everything. They ate everything. Ate this plant, the red pepper plant. That's gonzo. Ate some of the grape there too. It's the red flame grape. My almond trees are shot. They polished that one off. And as you can tell, there's evidence of the cows. I'm sick. This is really, really horrible. You know, we're looking at a minimum of $600 to $1,000 to put up barbed wire. The strands of barbed wire that's going to be necessary to keep these animals out. Oh well. We definitely now know that the cows have discovered our garden, and they'll come through at any time they want. He got kicked almost?
No, he didn't. He curled up his tail and bouncing and rolling along.
I'm out of here.